Good day to everyone. In this video, we shall see how the developer will give the APIs for the test engineers for testing. That is, what are all the things that the developer will communicate to the test engineers for testing of APIs. Once the APIs have been developed, the developer will send the information such as a URL of the particular API, the method, that is whether it is get, put, post like that, and the status code, and also the response body. Once all these details are available, then the test engineers, they will start testing the API in the Postman tool. Other than this method, the developer sometimes they will give curl body with the URL. Now, how do we get this curl body with URL? Now let us take an example here. Let us go to a website petstore.swagger.io. Here you can see we have different methods like get, post, put and all. Now I'm just clicking on this post method. Here we have an option, try it now. Then below that you can see here we have execute button. I'm clicking on this execute. Now here I have got the curl body and the responses. I have got the details such as curl body and the response code and what should be the request URL. All these details are available here. Using these details, we'll test the API. Now I'm copying this entire curl body. I'm going to the Postman tool here. Now I'm clicking on import. Once I click on this import, you can see we have an option to paste the curl body here. We have an option to paste the curl body. Now I'm pasting this curl body. Now once you pasted that URL, you can see that we have got this request name, same as it is shown in this website. You can select the collection name where you want to save this curl URL. Then you can click on import into collection. After that, you can click on the requests here, that is the post request which is we are using. Then you can click on send. Now you can see we have got the same result. We have got the same JSON file which is shown in the website. This is how we can import the curl body. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our updates or videos. Thank you.